Welcome to My Dreams channel. Right, this is Dr. Arun Reddy. In this video, we are going to explain about simple pendulum concept. So, simple pendulum. So, I am not going to derive or anything to make just in competitive exam point of view. This is the topic for almost all the exams. MSET, JEE Mains, ESET, NEET. Usually, one question will be for sure from this simple pendulum topic. Sometimes it may be two questions also from the topic for all kind of examinations. Basically, what is a simple pendulum? So, we know that a simple pendulum, a bob is suspended from a string. This is called a string. This is the bob. Usually, this will be hanged from a rigid support. What is length of the pendulum? What is length of pendulum? Length of the pendulum is from point of suspension to center of bob. Point of suspension to center of bob is called length of pendulum. What we all know, what is the basic time period? 2 pi into root of L by G. 2 pi into root of L by G. Here T stands for time period, 2 pi is the constant, L is the length of the pendulum and G is the acceleration due to gravity. From this we can clearly tell that time period of a simple pendulum depends on acceleration concept. Depends on what concept? Acceleration. Because when you go to other planets or other satellites also, G value will be varying. For example, moon is the natural satellite. So what is the G value on moon? It will be 1/6 times on that of the earth. So automatically time period will be varying for the pendulum when we move from earth to moon. So seconds pendulum. One more question area is what? Seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum. What do you mean by the word seconds pendulum? Whose time period is 2 seconds. Whose time period is 2 seconds. So question may be varying by changing the length or by changing the G value. Seconds pendulum means whose time period is 2 seconds is called as what? Seconds pendulum. The most regular cases here for all the exams is that this pendulum placed in a lift or placed in a car. Now let's see the formulas related to this. This pendulum placed in a lift. Pendulum placed in a lift. Now this lift is moving up. Lift is moving up with acceleration A. With acceleration A. So then time period becomes 2 pi into root of L by G plus A. G plus A. Why? Because when lift is moving up, it need to move against to the gravity. So the effective acceleration will be G plus A. Time period will be this thing now. See, when G value, what is the basic time period? Just now we have seen 2 pi into root of L by G. G value is increased. So time period value will decrease. Means they may ask in the statement form also, when a pendulum is placed in a lift moving up with certain acceleration, time period will be decreasing. Why? Because effective acceleration will be increasing. This is the most important question area. The same time, next, when it is placed in a lift moving down, when it is placed in a lift moving down with acceleration A, lifted down with an acceleration A, T will be equal to 2 pi into under root L by G minus A. T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by G minus A. Now when his lift is coming down, effective acceleration will be reduced. When acceleration is decreased, time period will be increasing. Now everybody follow the thing. What is the basic time period formula of a simple pendulum? T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by G. Right? When the lift placed in a lift moving up with acceleration, T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by G plus A. When moving down, T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by G minus A. Now when the lift is moving up, so time period will decrease. When lift is moving down, so time period will increase. Now if it is placed in a car, let's see now. Now a car is moving with an acceleration A and G is downwards. So effective acceleration will become what? Root of G square plus A square. Now if the pendulum is placed in a car, in this car, what happens now? T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by under root G square plus A square. Under root G square plus A square. Now see, when it is moving with an acceleration A, now G will be downwards. Effective acceleration will be under root. So these are the three possible cases. What are the three possible cases? Once again, time period of the simple pendulum is T is equal to 2 pi into under root L by G. Three possible cases. Regular repeating questions are what now? Now lift moving up with acceleration A, lift moving up with acceleration down, and the third case is placed in a car. These are the regular questions for all the exams. Along with this thing, just now we discussed that we'll be moving, G value will be changing from planet to planet or from equator to poles. So automatically time period also depends on these things. Now the most regular question nowadays, trending question is that why pendulum clocks are not used in artificial satellites? Why pendulum clocks? Why pendulum clocks are not used in artificial satellites? Are not used in artificial satellites. Guys, in artificial satellite, G value will be 0, time period will be infinity, the most regular question. So sometimes the question may be like this thing: why pendulum clocks are replaced by spring based clocks in artificial satellites? How the question may be: why pendulum clocks are replaced by spring based clocks in artificial satellites? Why? Because in artificial satellite, G value will be 0, so time period it shows infinity. It means it does not work in artificial satellite. These are the trending questions, time period of a simple pendulum. So if the paper is normal, the questions may be like this. Now if the examiner wants to give some tough question based on this concept, so how the questioning will be, now we'll see. Now just now in the beginning of the video I told you, like this is the bob, from point of suspension to center of mass is called length. Guys, now this bob is given positive charge, this bob is given positive charge, and a plate is placed under. So plate may be placed above, or plate may be placed here negative charge. What happens between positive charge and negative charge? Attraction will be there, so it pulls down, length will be increasing, so time period increases. Guys, look carefully, bob is given positive charge and a plate of negative charge is placed under the bob. What happens? Effective length will be now increasing, so time period increases. Similarly, now if bob is given again positive charge, negative plate is placed above the rigid support. Now again attraction will be upward, length will decrease, so time period will decrease. Why? Because we know that time period is directly proportional to root L. Nenu example kosam cheppan. I told you, for example, this is positive charge, this is negative charge, but it may be reverse also. But we need to consider where the charge is placed, under the bob or above the rigid support. So followed once again, bob is given positive charge and charge is placed negative behind it. So what happens now? Due to attraction, effective length will increase. If the same plate is now placed above the rigid support, effective attraction will be upward, so net charge will be upwards, so length will be decreased. So similarly, if positive charge, now again positive charge is given here, positive repulsion, so time period decreases. Here also positive, if it is given positive here, repulsion, length increases, so time period ila chuskoవాలి మనం cases. So this is also the one of the regular trending question. ఇది కాకుండా we have one more question based on the hollow spheres and solid spheres. Now let's compare the time periods of hollow spheres and the solid spheres. Now there are two same length simple pendulums, but one is hollow bob, one is solid bob of same like size. Center of mass will be both same, so T1 will be equal to T2, T1 will be equal to T2, everybody. Why? Because just now I told you length of the bob is from point of suspension to the center of mass, right? So if for hollow sphere center of mass will be in the mid position, for solid sphere center of mass will be in the mid position, so effective length is same for both the cases. Now if this hollow bob is filled with water, time period remains again same, time period will be same. Why? Because center of mass will not be changed. For example, now I made a pinch at the bottom of the bob, a small pinch. Everybody, what is pinch? A small hole where water can be drained. So this is the bob, let's assume. I made a small pinch. Water level will be decreasing, it becomes empty. So when water level is decreasing, center of mass shifts downwards. So length increases, so time period will be increasing. But once the bob is completely empty, again the center of mass shift towards the center position. Again the original time period will be there. Let me explain you theoretically. I have two bobs. One is hollow bob and one is solid bob. Both center of mass positions is same, so time periods will be same. But when a hollow bob is filled with water, center of mass position will be in the center, so time period will be again T. But when you made a small pinch of hole, water will be drained slowly, so center of mass will be shifted downwards, so length will be increased. When length increases, time period increases. But once the bob is empty, again the center of mass shift towards the position, normal position, so again the time period will remain original value itself. So these are the possible regular questions based on the concept of the time period of a simple pendulum. So along with this thing, we need to focus on the time period of a magnetometer also, where the formula is T is equal to 2 pi into under root I by MBH. I is the moment of inertia, magnetic moment, horizontal magnetic field. So these are the things. This will be seen in the next video. Usually for MSET, NEET, JEE and also ESET, based on simple pendulum, usually one question will be guaranteed for every exam. What to read now? Seconds pendulum, and how the shift in pendulum will be there. Time period of a simple pendulum will be shifted when change in length, change in G value. Change in G value is possible in case of lift or in case of car, and also in case when it is moving from one planet to the other planet. Length when will be changed? When charges are placed on the bob bar, like plates are placed, or hollow spheres, this case length will be changing. Seconds pendulum, wherever might be, seconds pendulum means time period is 2 seconds. Thank you for watching the video. I wish all the best for all the competitive exam preparing students. So please, daily we'll post the videos. Please do subscribe the channel for more videos. Surely you will be gaining more easy marks and shortcuts in the aspect of the physics. Thank you for watching the video.